Hello, welcome to today's class. We have this question before us here. The question is 2x to the power of 2 minus 15x plus 34 equal to 3 into the cube root of 4 bracket open x minus 2. What is the value of x to this challenge here? Here we are told that x belongs to a set of real numbers. So how do we get the real value for x here? So let's take solution here. Take a solution. All right. So the step we're going to apply here is a very simple one here. Okay. Now look at this side of this equation. We want to make a substitution to just this quantity here. Okay. The cube root of 4 into x minus 2. That is what we want to make a substitution into. All right. So from here, we now say let's take a t this time. Let t be equal to the cube root of 4 into our x minus 2 close bracket. All right, so from here, we can now rewrite the original equation as, so this now implies that our 2x to the power of 2, then minus our 15x, then plus our 34, then this is equal to our 3, then t. This is our 3t, right? Good. So we now have two variables in here. So before then, let's give this equation star. Okay, so this is the original equation we're written after the substitution to give us this. Now from equation star, I want to make s the subject of the formula. And so I will take the cube of both sides to eliminate this cube root radical. And so I say from equation star, we're going to have this to be our t to the power of 3 is equals to the cube root of our 4 into x minus 2 close bracket all raised to the power of 3. And so this and this will leave the system. Then I'm left with t to the power of 3 is equal to 4 into our x minus 2, right? Because we want to make s the subject of the formula, we have to open this bracket here. So if we open up this is going to give us our t to the power of 3 will now be equal to our 4x minus our 8. Easy, right? Good. So let's move this 8 to this side of the equation. And so this is going to give us t to the power of 3 minus, plus, if we turn to plus, but this is minus, process the sign of equality, turns to plus 8 equal to 4x. We divide through by 4. Only divide this by 4. So we now end up having, so from here we're going to have our this 4, we go with this 4 here. So we're now going to have our x now be equal to t to the power of 3, then plus our 8 all over 4. So let's give this equation star. So we now have the equation star. Okay. Now, see what we want to do here now. We want to put the whole of equation star into this equation. But let's give this equation 2. Why the original equation is equation 1. Okay, so if the original equation is equation 1, then after the substitution we have the equation star, and putting the value of the substituted alphabet into the original equation gives us equation 2. Then from equation star, we created another equation, which is equation star. So we want to put equation star into equation 2 here. Okay, so we can say put equation star into equation 2. So look at our equation 2. So you're going to have here 2x to the power of 2 minus 15x, then plus our 34, then equal to 3t, right? So 3t. Now, wherever we see x, let's put in this quantity. So this is going to give us our 2 into, here we're going to have t to the power of 3 plus 8 close bracket all over 4 all raised to 2 Then we have here minus our 15 bracket t to the power of 3 plus 8 close bracket all over our 4 plus our 34, right? Equal to 3t. Easy. So now let's open up here now. This 2 here is affecting everything here. So we can rewrite this as our 2, right, into our t to the power of 3 plus our 8, right, all raised to the power of 2. Okay, and raise this down a little. Okay, everything here we have here, all raised to the power of 2, all over, all raised to the power of 2 will give us 16. So we have this all over 16. Then minus, here we have 15 to t to the power of 3 plus our 8 close bracket all over 4 plus our 34 equal to 3t. So what happened? 2 here 1, 2 here will give us 8. Now we want to eliminate this 8. So also to eliminate this, we multiply by the LCM of this, and the LCM is 8. So let's multiply everything here by 8. So this is going to give us t to the power of 3 plus our 8 all raised to the power of 2, then all over our 8 times 8 minus 15 bracket t to the power of 3 plus 8 close bracket all over 4 times 8 plus 34 times 8 equal to 8, please, 3t times 8. Okay, let's just manage the space. So this and this will leave. 4 here 1, 4 here will give us 2. Now if we use this to open itself, that is t to the power of 3 plus 8 times t to the power of 3 plus 8 is going to give us t to the power of 6, okay, plus 8 t to the power of 3 times 2, that will give us 16 t to the power of 3, then plus 8 to the power of 2 will give us 64, okay, then minus, mind you, we're having 2 here, so 2 times 15 will give us 30. So this is going to give us minus 30 t to the power of 3, then 30 times 8, that will give us 240. So we have here minus 240 there plus our 34 times 8 will give us 272. 272. So we have 272 equal to 3t times 8 will give us 24t. Good. So we can now bring this and this together, bring this and this together, and this, bring this to this other side. So this is going to end up giving us t to the power of 6, 16t to the power of 3, minus 30t to the power of 3. That will give us minus 14t to the power of 3. All right. Then we have our t. What is our t? Our t is standing alone. Bring this t, 24t to this other side. So this is going to give us minus, it's going to give us minus 24t. All right. Then 6 plus 64 minus 240 plus 272. That will give us plus 96. So we have here plus 96 equal to 0. All right. So this is a 6th order degree polynomial equation. We're going to use the trial by error method. And if we go by the trial by error method, we're going to discover that our t minus 2 is a factor. Okay. So from here, we have t minus 2 is a factor. Okay. Okay. So yeah, for us to get our x, we have to go to where we did a simple substitution here. All right, so let's wipe off this side and continue on this side to get the actual value of x to this challenge. So from here, we're going to have our t be equal to 2. So like I said, look at what we are asked to look for x. So we now remember this expression we made here. Say let t be equals to this. So let's put the value of t into this expression. So substituting this is going to give us our 2 is equal to the cube root of our 4 into x minus 2, close bracket. So to eliminate this, because we are looking for x, we take the cube of both sides, equally take the cube of this side. This and this will leave, right? So if this leaves, we are now having 8 equal to our 4x, 4 into x minus 2. Divide both sides by 4, divide this side by 4 also. So if we do this, 2 here, 4 here, 1, 4 here will give us 2. So 4 here, 1, 4 here, we have 1. So we're going to have 2 is equal to our x minus 2. Move these 2 to this side to give us plus. So this is going to give us our x is equals to our 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4. So therefore, x is equal to our 4. So 4 is the only real number from the set of 6 roots that can actually satisfy these radical equation. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this math class. Thank you for being there. See you in our next video. Till we meet you, keep winning. Bye for now.